In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a SketchUp of your building or house so that can be imported in Jarvis Design. First, you need to create 3 layers in AutoCAD and call them external, internal, and opening. Jarvis uses the international system, so make sure to sketch up your building in meters. The external layer is used to draft external walls or the perimeter of your building. The internal layer is used to draft internal walls or partitions. And the opening layer is used for drawing doors, windows, elevator shaft, or stair openings. When your architectural drawings are a bit more developed, you can use the 3 layers created before to draft and overlay your sketch over the external walls, interior partitions, and openings that you want to import into Jarvis. Finally, remember to save your file with a DXF extension. Following these steps, your file is ready to be imported in Jarvis Design. This concludes this tutorial.